Hey guys, it's Smiley D. How are you? I'm sitting making dinner, right? Well, I wasn't sitting, I was standing, but I'm, chopping up the meat to make the burritos, and it hits me. My daughter is funnier than I am. This cannot be. I'm the YouTube star, not my daughter, and things fly out of her mouth that utterly crack me up. For example, the most mundane everyday tasks to her become her playground. I was putting garlic salt on the meat, and she said, "Oh, I love that garlic salt." And then I was putting pepper on, and she says, "That pepper is some kind of yum." She is way more funny than I ever was at 10 years old, okay? Not happening. And what, she's gonna pass me up? What am I gonna do with my life? Anyway, it's pretty bad when I get phone calls from my neighbors saying, "Oh my God, Smiley D, your daughter's over here and she's just like you. She's a spitting image. She's funny. She's cracking us up." What do I do with that? And then the other day, I'm standing in my driveway and my neighbor comes over and she says, "Oh my God, that daughter of yours, she cracks me up. She is just like you. Oh my God, she is a hoot and a holler." And I say, "Why? Why is she a hoot and a holler?" And she said, "Well, we were all downstairs having a birthday party with all the other 10-year-olds and all the other mothers. And my husband walks down." Her husband, not my husband. Her husband walks down and she goes, "Sup, bruh?" What 10-year-old talks to a 41-year-old like that and says, "Sup, Rob?" Not, "Hi, Mr. So-and-so," but "Sup? Sup at you?" Her father walks in from cutting the grass, dripping in sweat. The dog's trailing behind him, dripping in smell. And I turn around as I'm chopping my meat and I say, "What stinks?" And she's like, "Dad and the dog, they stink." And she goes, "Hey, Dad, how about if I give you some yum so you can chew off that stank of yours? That stank of yours." I mean, she's 10. And so for Father's Day, right, we get my father-in-law this really cool light from, what's that place called that you guys love? Bass Pro Shop, right? I spot it on an end cap. I get 3 of them, one for my dad, one for my husband, and one for his dad. And anyway, so we give one to my father-in-law, and it's this really cool light, and it's got these really bright lights. There's like 3 of them, looks like an alien, and it's like, it spins, 360 degrees, and you can clip it onto your hat, right? So he's opening it at the table for Father's Day, and we're talking about all the cool things he can do with it, like scale fish or bait hooks early in the morning hours. And my 10-year-old, who's sitting across the table, she goes, "Or you can go downstairs for a late midnight snack." And the whole table just bursts into laughter. I'm the funny one, not you. But it was stinking funny. She's a, what can I say? Mini Smiley D. I'm in trouble.